Hey everyone, I'm Siddharth, your host of today's journey through one of India's most iconic treasures, the Taj Mahal. Now, before we dive into the world of marble splendors, let me tell you a bit about myself. I'm Siddharth, representing Devi Public School, Sector 37 Faridabad, and I'm super excited to be here with you to explore the wonders of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now, why the pick Taj Mahal out of all the UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Well, it's simple because it's the king of monuments. The Taj Mahal isn't just a building, it's a love story carved in marble, a masterpiece of architecture, and a symbol of eternal beauty. Now, let's rewind the clock and dive into the history of breathtaking monument commissioned in 1632 by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal stand out not just a monument of love but also a symbol of rich cultural heritage of India. It's a masterpiece that took 22 years to build and has stood out to a test of time, captivating hearts from all over the world. So, why did Shah Jahan decide to build this architecture marvel? Well, it was a grand gesture of his love for his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who sadly passed away during childbirth. Built by 20,000 artisans, the Taj Mahal is not just a monument, it's a symbol of love that transcends time and space. Now let's talk about tourism. The Taj Mahal attracts millions of visitors every year, and it's not hard to see why. Sometimes the crowd resembles more of a bustling marketplace than a scenery monument. But hey, who doesn't love a good selfie with Taj? Alright, let's take a peek inside its architecture wonder. The integrated white marble, the dedicated carvings, and the memorizing calligraphy. Every single detail inside the Taj Mahal tells the story of its own. Fun fact, did you know the calligraphy inside the Taj Mahal includes passages from the Quran? Like Shah Jahan is saying, even in the afterlife, I got you covered, Mumtaz. And with that, we come to end of our amazing tour of Taj Mahal. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I did. Thank you for joining me, and remember, whether you are a history buff, a hopeless romantic, or someone who appreciates breathtaking beauty, the Taj Mahal has something for everyone. Until next time, happy exploring.